Akwaba and Foumbra Ghana Sem TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Oma speaker asote. Next speaker so I releases our only panel. A bra also a banner on any didn't come up. Say, oh, fear you mreness all the phone friend say, oh, he no mra. Na ojitum no bano be drew on my was say you are under arrest. I know they are now as a communist inferior tactics. The fee say, penny a Bank of Ghana governor. Only fee na Jakpa ekobura ho. Now we are few on mono CCTV cameras in our what they can't say no. As you see, and state to Nebakotia CCTV cameras no buana because governor the Omoko court for damages not about outside power when they say no. Abayanu betia a huge compensation and damages are a judgment debt to the state. The deputy director in charge of operations at the National Investigative Bureau. Jakpa. Me just say an appointment so we di juma. Papa no niam na o makotu ni nyina the service na office o vote asika wo mu honti no o mie no o mo kore na ne Ghana ha no asika fo vote wo mfie enti obi a na wo vote aye bone ala JJ Rollins be ye ku ye so wo 50 cedis aye nchiutum sa se mu no bi na mo ba se mo de ba o man mu ala denti me why legitimate business no anya ne sika find Bank of Ghana governor why you be juma wa free mo so mo bibi ni car find that just tapo Rambo style you know me I am one person governor they say na me born a chipapa. Because to me stabilize a city, the major duty of the Bank of Ghana is to stabilize our city. He failed us. No, sabe say before granted, so percent dollar number 10 obetima ye knee-jerk reaction. What kind of nonsense is that? Now you per dollar manaba form. Also obetima manaba say yen sa knee-jerk. Ye be yen pempe chebi ye be sa pija. Ye ka we ma ye na nkasisia we ya. Say kebi pija kere nam 13. Eti adwuma wo so ye no ema Ghana for won high wo dollar na edim no ye hunu yeso okotwa iska over 70 billion de ko share ekufu ado papa wo no abetima twa iska ade amon ko na do fie then you should march up to Nanado's house na mon ko yeso no so voter. Oh, we are allowing some impunity be and na ekoso aban foforo ba enka me hu ye emabunu bi a youthful impetuousness we no matter gu krom omo kra yesi o majai sesi amo ye mpanimfo no na moye. What is the meaning of this? Is the president telling us that he was not aware say they went to the Bank of Ghana governor's house? Is he saying he's not aware say former members of parliament, former ministers who are members of parliament no and adwumere ye invite omo koya achi omo lawyer for ko e ma omo bail? What is the meaning of this? Couldn't you have waited this morning to write to speaker so we hear omo? And when you are there ekoso esi say no omo aban uchu mutan ye besesa the embarrassment MPP got in 2024. Why na so da ye say MPP Ghana for 1.7 million beto abetia no omo to aba baako a omampani jo mama 954,000 eto abetia no ye say enti bi da nebo a MPP 8 years omo say ye gu anim ase ye to abetia 1 million vote omanka ewi ase second round 500,000 and now omo deficit of 1.7. You don't joke with Ghanaians. Ghana for to about ye to abama na odi sim ho ebe pamo. President John Mahama buy an approval rating call 100%. Almost the same wa sha no. Ghana for any so. The water to mine any the way your money so opposition ye they cry Ghana for until almost so many so. But you don't do this. Opa maniama we nkoswa na fe yo monko he na approval rating sentima forma. Because Ghana for pasumje ye pesa amemu no ko ye pesa economy ni sesa we e buy ayati petrol from 15.6 to 14.9 Ghana ni be no see yate petrol so ompe. Enti me tia me mo Omanhene John Mahama abaso. Dollar and no am about 15.5 for wine. Uko market white market is 15.4, black market is 16. Now and no me call 16. So $1 uko $6 $16. Uko 16.2. Nothing has changed. It's even rather going up. And you governor Siama immediately one year juma. 1 year careful. All the figures about the Gugum trying to make it artificial as ever form. Ube 124 nisu. Because all banks now dollar linho. The dollar is not there now. The Bank of Ghana over here the 15.5 for the betoha. Nessa me call bank na me nye binam call black market no the member me 17. What's the dollar rate 15? The reality is that it's 17. You see, your elections a way. The reality is say, I want you to war mining. I buy no 2 more member, I want you to call. Newasha see no appointment no me ade any the oye or the budget taba budget no nyan take effect amount for betu to baba sadesre budget ni si form na ye adwuma the opposition be can Ghana for ye mfa ho MPP betimi they can cry wolf from the rooftop say economy ni ya why na mo John Mahama baso but how ye wura nkrofo ye kan nkrofo tum this man Jakpa enche bia no ne abanjina court to twe da area ye twa the case mo appeals court enti wo ye bitter. Jakpa cannot tell anybody say or personal vendetta. It just will be or no unya asembia and he's coming for you. Why do you allow such a person? Omanhene John Mahama chubi what you will be atum on chiubia. But look at what is happening. Say achi ministers be omoye MP. Say ministers no so my bone na mo hwehwebu mu a mumani na dina Ghana fo hunu. No Ghanaian is waiting for Omanhene John Mahama so member nkrofo diska for mu ho adio. They are waiting to hear say nipa we ye ka se sika bia fa nsem yaje ana yaje na tum. Because they don't talk about resetting. Not the old order no one ekoswa. What is the essence of the resetting? Mesrem penifo ne ekoso no ne yachiwe no ebi mo ani beji abose. By the end of the day butter and bread issue no omo echi wo mo no ensesa ho one way na emane be yachiwe ya the international community will see it as political persecution, so investors will not come. The reality is say yato aba Omanhene John Mahama onya abosome miensa eti Ghana ni bia mfam timi fa bibi ko hye ne konso na ma ho kyeraba. We will not be fair. The opposition wants us to believe say as ono na ma ho kyerem pi da bi enye no kre de obeto ye na fe no obe ye ye untimi mfa 1 year kura nsa Ghana. We Ghana ni ne open 3 months ta open say eniema bo 5 cedi about 2 cedis then you are laughing at the wrong side of your teeth. The president is not a magician. On to me san niema overnight. But in tutu ye ni niema washa se na manfo fi say which means we are expecting good things from him, but not this one. Please, your excellency.